The temperatures coming down even more so as we approach Thanksgiving. First, though, let's get through the rest of this week. We've got that cloudy, low cloud deck that just will not go away. And even while we're starting to see some breaks in the clouds, a little bit of high cloudiness starting to move in from the northwest, that will likely keep us under mostly cloudy skies. The low clouds, the higher clouds moving in. Even had a few little light sprinkles, I know, just approaching the station in the quarter a little bit earlier this evening, a few little rain droplets. So there is still a little bit of moisture embedded that is able to work its way down to the surface. Only picked up a trace of rainfall at Kenner today, but a little bit more than a trace, 1/100 of an inch up in Bogalusa. And generally speaking, what little rain we did see during the day today didn't amount to much more than just a few hundredths of an inch. So we'll keep the cloudiness around throughout the day tomorrow. And again, another mostly cloudy afternoon, maybe a few more breaks for some sunshine. But the first time we're really going to see just nothing but sun won't come until probably mid-morning on Saturday when we finally start to clear out. But that will be short-lived as the clouds start working their way back in on Sunday. Current temperatures generally in the 60s and upper 50 reading in Macomb. And the temperatures really don't change, really have not changed going back to Monday. We've generally been upper 50s, low 60s. We got some mid to upper 60s during the day today. And this is about as warm as we have been all week long. We should start to see more 70s as we head into the day tomorrow. Our Gulf low continues to weaken. You can kind of see the center from our streamlines here is well down to our south now. We're finally starting to see a little bit more of a break in those low cloudiness, but now a little upper cloudiness is moving in. A cold front is not too far away across the central plains, bringing with it slightly cooler air. We're really not going to see too much of an air mass change, at least in terms of our temperatures. What this front should help to do is bring in some slightly drier air. And so with dew points having been in the low 60s over the last several days, a little push from the north should help to bring in at least dew points into the 50s. Models have kind of drawn back a little bit with just how dry the air mass is going to get behind our front, which moves through sometime early on Saturday. Most of the weekend very, very pleasant. Again, with the less humid air, a little more sunshine, no rainfall, gorgeous weather, outdoor plans this weekend. It looks great. Then as we head into early next week, our focus is going to be on developing storm system moving in from the west. Let's take a look at the Euro model. The model has most of the rainfall starting to move in, maybe a few showers late Sunday, but more so during the day on Monday. Monday during the day, rain chances look to be around 40% or so. During the afternoon hours and late evening, we'll start to watch the front set up and begin moving in. That better rain chance at probably 80 to 100% doesn't come in until late Monday, early Tuesday. So overnight Tuesday into the probably pre-dawn hours is when we could see some storms move through the area. And there is going to be a low-end threat for some severe weather. Right now, the possibility of a slight risk, that will be a level 2 threat for the North Shore Florida parishes, central Louisiana. Might see that change though, so be watching over the next couple of days. And as far as beyond the Tuesday forecast goes, the front moves through. Now we're starting to see some agreement in the GFS. This is for Thanksgiving Day at noon. High pressure moving in, chilly temperatures, and a lot of sunshine. So gorgeous weather as we approach the holiday. A lot of folks doing something this weekend. Weather looks great. We'll have those storms mainly Monday night into early Tuesday, with temperatures dropping through the day. Highs staying in the 50s on Wednesday, low 60s Thursday.